My name is Bruce Ahlswede. I am the Director of Service for SAR Sign Service. I've been in the sign business for roughly 15 years. Last year has just been a ride. We've gone from basically 0 to Mach 5. Last year at this time, it started out with just me starting the department, creating everything. And right now I have 2 service managers and 3 service techs. Service is the in for other work. So if we can do a good job in service, the customer's going to ask for more. What more can you do? Can you build me signs? And that's what we were looking at, to build our whole department and build a whole company based on service. The type of tool we were looking for was a truck that they could actually use as a warehouse and store tools and not have to go and do a run out, or they have to come back into the shop, get more tools, get more parts. That's what we were looking for. Looked at quite a few trucks, and went to the ISA show, seen a couple trucks there, was looking at a couple different versions of what I was looking for, and then just so happened that while I was looking, you guys had a demo truck that you were driving through San Antonio. We took a look at it, fell in love with it. It gives my tech the ability to have everything he needs to do the job one time and not have to do a return trip. We're there, we are equipped. And once my tech got in it and he took it for the first service trip, he was like, wow, this is great. Because he's used to running Elliott's, used to running other trucks. And for him to have everything he needs. And one of the other parts about that is, while he's up in the bucket, he doesn't have to worry about somebody coming up and possibly digging in his truck, taking things from his truck. He can lock it right in the bucket. Where I see this department going is I will definitely be adding more van ladders. I do love the truck for handling service here in San Antonio and the surrounding areas. If you're looking for a truck, a real sign service truck, or electrical truck for that matter, check out Van Ladder. You'll be happy.